Yeah.
She's already way too involved
Good
in my
girl.
eating habits, my sleeping habits. I don't need her involved in my mating habits.
No, this is.
You know she hates people touching her tail.
Look at her face.
Her eyes are glowing. So don't touch my tail, don't touch my
I
tail!
got it, though. No, oh my God. She's got a foot on her butt.
Get it off, get it off.
Sounds like you're calling in the ranch hands for something.
He's the five-legged beast. Get up. Come on, Ellie. Get up.
We're going out, and that's all you need to know.
Don't touch my tail.